Inshallah. Welcome, تفضل.
Can we have a picture with you?
Yes, give me a phone. Prepare mo lang yung sajada.
The environment parang Saudi. Yung amoy ng gahawa, yung oud. Amoy ng bakur.
Allahu Akbar.
So nagsala lang kami ng kasar. Parang ka na sa environment talaga ng Saudi, pati yung nag-iimam, yung boses ng tapos mix Filipino culture, kawayan, tapos sabay Middle Eastern style. Tapos yung dates na may tahina, mashallah, nakakamiss. Tapos may gahawa coffee. Sa I think Mercy Islamic Center tayo ngayon, kaya naman tayo kumalik.
يا حبيب قلبي تفضل جنب زوجتك يا هلا
The Arab before, not now, before, the woman she can do everything in the house. Like my mother, she has 14 children.
in one house.
10 brother and 4 sister. I have.
And she hates a maid.
And
She hates maid.
she doesn't have housemaid. She is the one to cook for 14. Wallahi, by Allah, I married already, huh? I have kids. She doesn't sleep until the last one came enter the house. No. Wallahi, my mother, she put her carpet for salah near from the door. And she memorized all the step of my brother. She knows this is my step. When I go to my flat in second floor, Muhammad? I said, yes, ma'am. Why you are late? I said, what are you doing? Just I'm sitting here. I know she's not sitting, she's waiting. She's waiting the last one. One day I said, Mama, I said, I cannot sleep until the last one comes. Yes, but now in this time, this is big problem. The Arab, the woman, she has income, and she doesn't care of the husband.
Independent.
The house.
Independent woman.
But in Philippines, especially the babae, mashallah.
We take care of the man.
Yes. This is what we don't find it in this generation. In this
Very hard to
generation.
find.
Yes. Yes. When especially the women in Philippines, when she laugh, really she laugh. Yeah. Really she sacrifice everything for you.
Why? They fake the love?
There is maraming babae just laugh only. Some laugh.
So, sa tabi ng Islamic Center, may restaurant dito. Labay. Inshallah, nandito pala.
السلام عليكم. قبضت عليك يا شيخ. السلام عليكم. عفوا. تفضل هناك.
جاء الزوج.
O pinatawag yung asawa.
Biryani bro, biryani. Lista mo lang, okay na yun sila.
So, nakatulog kami saglit here. Alam mo, tablik eh.
لله رب العالمين وبه نستعين في امور الدنيا والدين وصلى الله على نبينا محمد وعلى اله واصحابه اجمعين اما بعد. Mga kapatid sa Islam, hayaan niyo pong
Dito tayo sa Mercy Masjid, palis na tayo. Ito.
Shoutout ka naman.
Arabong Pinoy, marunong yung magtagalog. Oh.
Assalamualaikum, kumusta kayo lahat?
Magbisaya.
Bisaya.
Marunong ka magbisaya.
Hindi masyado.
Maranaw.
Hindi naman mo na
Maganda lang.
kayo.
16 pa lang yan, single, pamay na lang. Free delivery shipping. Around Davao, I think.
Yeah.
Sir, jazakallah. Tafadhal.
Ingat ka ha.
Assalamualaikum.
Salam. International, domestic doon sa kabila. So ito na sa airport tayo. Ang dami mga Davao style dito na tradition. Matagal ko nang gusto ng ganito, hindi lang kasi kasya. At ngayon lang tayo nakakita ng maayos na sign. Ito, bag kay wifey. Candies din nila dito. May pambata din, cute. Pambabae. Mga wallet na gano'n, ganda. Tataka ako, paano na nakukuha gawin yung ganitong durian? Yung pala, totoong durian pala ito. Kahit itong maliliit ito. Kaya pala kuha sabi ko. Paano ginagawa ito? So hindi ko nabasa to. Nagtanong muna tayo kung may pork. Talagang wala
Light to moderate bumpiness in the cabin. As for the latest Manila weather update, I'll just get back to everyone later on in the flight with a more as we get nearer to Manila.
Was leaving to find myself besides where you had to go. And I know it ain't pretty when the hearts get bruised.